So I've been letting these dry for about, I don't know, 20 minutes or so. We are about to go and get a COVID shot. So I'm just gonna continue. I just cut the heat off, but man, these things are looking great. Like, I could not be happier right now. They look fabulous. So I'm gonna let these just continue drying throughout the day. Jeff is actually supposed to be bringing his manifold, upper part of his manifold, and a H23 throttle body for me to port sometime today. So I'm gonna try to get that knocked out, as well as not many of y'all knew about our dog, well, my mom's dog, Skittles, but she passed this past week. So she's gonna bury her in the backyard, and we're gonna go down there for that. I won't video into that, but yeah, 13 years old. That dog was 13 years old, like literal years old. So it's been an inside dog forever, and it's just been in the family forever. So it was a big part, especially of my mom's life, because as all of us grew up, she still had something to care for. So yeah, anyway, I guess when we get back, we'll check on how these are doing. But man, right now, those things look fantastic. F23 CG is on hold right now till we can get the engine. But yeah, guys, we're gonna check on these headlights again once we get back. We're back, and man, these headlights are looking brand fucking new, guys. Like, I'm amazed at the turnout. Let me show you. Look at this. Like, bro, this is crazy. All right, guys, so I may or may not have fucked up. I guess time will tell, but I'm gonna wrap the video up here by saying I had a little bit of dry spray near the top of the headlight, and because of that, I didn't want to leave it like that. So I ended up, I let it dry pretty much all the way till about an hour ago. So it's probably been drying for about 8 hours, 7 hours, something like that, since I painted this morning. And I went ahead, made sure to clean it off, and then I sand the shit down with 1000 grit again. So I don't know if I messed up, but the first headlight is drying really good. The second one still has a little streak of like the clear looks kind of white, milky looking when you first spray it, and then it dries to be clear. So hopefully that'll come out over the time of it drying. But again, we just gotta wait and see. Did I mess up? I don't know. But that's pretty much where I'm gonna wrap this video up. I'm not gonna try to put these in today. That would be way too rushed. So sometime in another video, I'll just stick them in. I won't make a whole video on it, but I will try to video it for you guys so you can see the finished product. But yeah, that's pretty much where I'm gonna wrap this up. Jeff came, picked up his manifold. I port matched that with the H23A throttle body that he found on eBay. So he's on the way to the house now to get that installed. This next week is gonna be rough. I have to work like 2 people jobs at work. So I'm gonna basically be working 12s all week. But the week after, I'm off that whole week of Christmas. So I'm gonna try to double up on content that week. Get y'all like some daily vlogs and stuff, daily upload stuff. So yeah, just bear with me. We're gonna get through it. But with that being said, like, share, subscribe. I will catch y'all in the next one. As always, remember, respect all bills. Peace out.